In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Read AI to Microsoft Teams. This guide is designed to help you seamlessly integrate Read AI into your team's workflow. So let's get started. First, it's important that you have the correct account setup. You'll need a work or school Microsoft 365 account, as personal Microsoft accounts do not support all the necessary functionalities for this integration. So make sure your account is properly set up there. If you don't have a Read AI account yet, head over to their website and sign up using Microsoft Single Sign-On. This makes the process a bit smoother as your accounts will be easily linked. Another point to note before you begin the installation is that your organization or admin might need to approve specific permissions. This often includes permissions for accessing Teams channels or even installing apps. It's always a good practice to double check these settings to ensure you don't run into any roadblocks later on. Now that you have your accounts ready and necessary permissions sorted, you're all set to add Read AI to Teams. Start by installing the meeting summaries from Read AI app. Navigate to Microsoft App Source. Use the search bar to look for meeting summaries from Read AI and click on Get It Now to initiate the installation. Once the installation is complete, you'll likely be prompted to sign in using your Read AI or linked Microsoft account. Here, make sure you grant all the permissions that are requested. These permissions are essential for the integration to function properly, enabling Read AI to access and summarize your meetings. After installation, you'll need to configure the integration settings. In your Read AI dashboard, there is an integrations page. This is where you can connect Read AI to Microsoft Teams. Here, you can decide which channels to sync, set preferences for where the reports are delivered, and tailor other features according to your needs. When it comes to adding Read AI to your meetings, you have two options. First, the automatic approach. You can set your preferences so Read AI automatically joins meetings via your calendar. If you prefer a more hands-on method, there is also a manual option. During a meeting, you can simply open the Teams apps menu, find Read AI, and add it to your meeting. If needed, paste the meeting URL in the Reads app. This will ensure Read joins and generates a summary for you. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can efficiently add Read AI to your Microsoft Teams and start benefiting from its meeting summarization capabilities. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps make your digital workspace a lot more